westbound off-ramp coming from the Logan motorway through Heathwood. Delays on Moggle Road through Kenmore and Chapel Hill, and delays on the Pacific motorway from Upper Mount Gravatt to the city. Looking to de-stress? Support a healthy stress response in the body with Blackmore's Executive B-Stress formula. Always read the label and follow the directions for use. Chemist Warehouse, great savings every day. It's Chopper Day. More traffic soon on Brisbane's #1 hit music station, B105.
The B105 Breakfast Show with Stav, Abby and Matt.
Makes my day better.
It puts you on a positive to start the morning.
I just love listening to them. They play really good music.
Just helps me wake up